we're off. We got our title sponsor, Cactus Coolers. Yeah, that's all I gotta say about that.
Must have just straight water, but
Should we just frame this? What do you think? What are you worried about that? Very nice. Very nice. I never put it on the stand this way.
here.
Or just lift up the back end.
1, 2, 3.
That's good. It's
Dude, you still have room to get out, man.
So I guess that's it for you in real estate.
Go ahead.
are you sure? Are you sure? Okay. I mean,
I think you gotta be able to tap bathrooms.
that's not bad. That's not bad. That's not bad. What if I like stood on like the foot pegs? Just kidding. Don't do that.
Are you taking your Hawaiian tomorrow? Today or tomorrow?
Probably. Oh,
Nice.
that should be done. Get out now.
We are ripping out. Ben doesn't even race till 2. It's 8 o'clock. So we've got a minute, but we're on the way. Oh. Oh. Tight fit, tight squeeze. Look at that. Look at that. Look at it.
Man, hold on. You're both. Okay, you're good.
We're actually doing free autographs out here at the factory Honda tent.
Till noon.
Until noon.
Yep.
So swing on by. Come get your free autographs. Meet the riders.
Afternoon, it's about $50 a poster.
Yeah. We start charging.
We got a race prep, so we can't be doing it in afternoons.
No.
Yep.
No, we start charging.
We better hurry. Payments aren't going to make themselves on these rigs.
Exactly. You already know.
Sponsor Team Honda.
Factory Honda. It's sponsored by Cactus Cooler. It's not Red Bull. No, it's Cactus Cooler Honda. About to break in the fresh factory. Still even got the stickers on it. Factory Honda. A33. This is Ken Roxon's fill-in rider.
Second biggest class next to there, but that'll be perfect.
Hey, good luck, dude.
Thanks, dog.
Good start, dude. schedule, only 2 hours after what they said it was supposed to be, so we're right on time. Absolute dust fest. Can't even see these guys. Yeah! Look at that. What's in the woods? How was it? On a scale of 1 to 10.
Probably like a 4.
A 4.
That was dusty and shitty, and then dusty again. I can feel for a cacti right now.
Overall, good experience, I'd say.
I guess. I got a bit of a melon ache, but other than that, pretty decent.
Back at it again tomorrow.
It wasn't very bad, except for the dust, and that was bad. And that was the whole time, so it was kind of bad. I drink sports drink because an athlete needs his hydration.
Unload your bike? No chance. Hose it off in the bed of the truck like an absolute G. Look at this guy. He doesn't give 2 hecks out there. Right on. They're getting him. They are getting him. We got the burgers. Bikes are back in the room. Supercross on the TV.
Grabbing.
What are the chances this hotel has Supercross?
Without.
We're loaded up, ready for round 2. Another day of it. Made it through the hotel room. Nothing got stolen. We weren't robbed. There was a drug bust right outside our hotel room, but we survived.
So it's media day today. Me and Andy are about to go hit a quick track walk. Looks like they're finally getting some prep work done on the track. It's a good thing. I had to go talk to the USRA guys and let them know because it definitely wasn't prep this morning. So I went and talked to them and now they're getting some prep work done. So see how it goes.
Yeah, I think we're feeling pretty good today. We should be able to get out there, put in some good laps, get a feel for the track. Just see how it is, basically. I mean, we'll just see how it goes. Yeah, it should be a good day. What are you thinking in this rhythm section? Getting a good look at it. What do you think?
This double is pretty simple right here, but
Yeah, right?
the actual problems afterwards, because it doesn't look very prepped on the faces, so that is great concrete.
Okay, I think we'll be good, honestly.
Let's take a quick pop over the fence and check her out from
Yeah.
there.
Ooh-wee.
Body down here.
Shouldn't be a problem for a factory HRC guy like yourself, though, right? Check the moisture content. Good. Dude, check the moisture content on this one.
At least it's not going to be dusty.
Look at this. Look at that.
What happened here? They turned the skid steer around?
Yeah. Your overall analysis of the track, how you think today's gonna go?
They really did some work on it.
They did. I mean, just check this section out if you don't believe him.
They really got to work on it. So.
About 13.
Practice is running pretty late. You know to go really hard right now? An Arizona sweet tea.
thinking? First moto.
Kind of tired from yesterday, but me and this guy are gonna go out, just basically create havoc on the track. I don't really care about podium or anything. I just want to make I just want to make sure everyone knows not to mess with me.
I expect some massive whips over these jumps. Look at this guy. I've never seen anybody look more hot in my entire life. Oh yeah. Let it all. Oh, he is free as a bird.
Let's watch him racing, Dad. I should be fine.
This is your first time wearing it. I literally just took a tag.
How does it look?
Looks like you're ripped.
Am I gonna rip it?
No, dude, you're just ripped.
Because I'm huge, man.
Overall, how was it?
It's really, really dusty. But there's two spots that are mud pits, so they know how to water some spots, other spots they just don't worry about.
Yep, that's how it is. I'm a professional.
Yes, you are.
There you go.
Stick your feet out.
It's not diet, so it's plenty still with my nose.
Maybe wipe this down with your
Idle sponsor. Cactus Coolers.
Nice.
Already back on that racer diet. First thing after